Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to the Good Taste channel. Today, we are going to prepare some delicious grilled shrimp with a marinade that is very easy to prepare. If you want to know how to prepare them, stay with me because we start right now. I have 1 pound of shrimp. These are still with the shell and the head. I have split them in half butterfly style so I can clean them and make them much easier to fry. Right now, I'm showing you how to open this. It's very easy. With the knife, we cut the shell and also the shrimp. We don't take the knife to the bottom, but we do get it far enough inside so that we can open them so they are well extended. And then, here we remove the tripe and clean it well. You can leave it like that, or you can also pass the scissors on the shrimp head here, so you can open it and wash it very well. Since I have them clean and ready, I reserve them while I marinate. I'm going to put 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, half a tablespoon of mustard, half a tablespoon of ketchup, a little black pepper to taste, a teaspoon of onion powder, I repeat, only a teaspoon and a half of chili powder. You decide if you want it to be a hot chili or not. Half a teaspoon of salt. And finally, we return to tablespoons. We are going to add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. We incorporate all these ingredients very well, and this is the marinade that will make it have a very delicious taste. Now we're going to bathe the shrimp in this marinade. I like to put it on aluminum foil so it doesn't get so messy. I put the shrimp one by one so that they remain open. We add a little salt to taste. Remember that the marinade already has a little salt, so you should not overdo it with salt. We are going to spread it over the shrimp. With a kitchen brush or with a small spoon, we are going to bathe them so that they are well covered by the marinade. We turn around and do the same thing on the other side. You can cover the shrimp with plastic. Put them in the refrigerator for a whole day, a few hours, or you can cook them directly. I will cook them now. So here I have a grill pan that is already hot. I'm going to melt a piece of butter. I place the shrimp with the open side down. We try to keep them wide open. And we always let it cook over high heat or medium-high heat so that they won't burn when the top part looks completely orange. Then we are going to turn it over. This is very fast. It takes a couple of minutes at most. We will turn it over when they already look orange, and we are going to let it cook for 1 more minute on the other side. And you will see how delicious this smoke looks on the grill, and it smells delicious. I'm removing the ones that are already ready and cooking the rest. And here, I have them served with some lemon slices. You can accompany these shrimp with rice, some fried tortillas, some salad, and it turns out wonderfully. As I repeat, this recipe is very easy to make, very delicious, so you have to try it at home. Leave your comments and tell me how did you like it, because I'm 100% sure you're gonna love it. Thank you for accompanying me once again in the Good Taste channel. We'll see you in another video. Goodbye.